People often ask me, Chris, don't you ever get bored? Well, I look around and I say, well, how could I possibly be bored with so much to see and so much to hear? It's never just about a photograph, it's about being immersed in nature, totally wrapped up in the sights and the sounds. There's so much to explore in Guernsey, from the high cliff top edges to the long sandy beaches, to the small offshore islands, to the rolling fields and farmlands. I'm acutely aware that these beautiful spaces and the wonderful wildlife they harbour greatly enrich my life on a daily basis, so I'm determined not to take them for granted. As the human population in Guernsey grows, we're forcing our wildlife to live in the margins. We're squeezing each natural habitat until it can't breathe. My mission is to show people what's out there through the lens of my camera, and hopefully they'll become guardians and a voice for nature too. I firmly believe that as individuals, if we can reconnect with the nature around us, that society will benefit as a whole and be uplifted. If we don't become the guardians of nature and the champions of wildlife, then our apathy and indifference will echo through the silence that's left behind.